Did you know that back in the day, people thought sneezing could predict the future? Ancient Mesopotamians believed that sneezing could give insights into the upcoming events. Imagine trying to plan your day based on how many times you sneeze. But that's not all. Sneezing superstitions were prevalent around the world, with each culture having its own interpretation. So next time you sneeze, maybe pay attention to see if it's trying to tell you something. Who knew a simple sneeze could hold so much mystery and meaning? What do you think your last sneeze was trying to tell you? Share your sneeze superstitions in the comments below.